Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once more on African Crypto Media. Today, August 17th, it's the Midday News. As headlines, Bitcoin is subverting the China system. Russian intelligence services are in the process of developing a blockchain sovereign system. Get the details in a few moments. Welcome back on African Crypto Media for this episode of the Midday News. As mentioned in the headlines, Bitcoin is subverting China's system. China represents 65.8% of the world's integral Bitcoin mining and includes a huge part of Bitcoin owners in the world. Last Friday, August 7, Chinese President Xi Jinping stressed on the role of cyber technology in quickening economic developments. He says it's essential to promote related research and core technologies to give China an edge in the sector. And despite this trend, China's central government is scared Bitcoin might subvert government control, as explains the Bitcoin expert Lai Hu from Hong Kong.
Bitcoin exchanges have been heavily restricted to the point that centralized exchanges as we know them from the US or Europe no longer exist. Cryptocurrency mining operations have been significantly sized down, partly because the operators are afraid that they will have their equipment seized, partly because they found other opportunities overseas, but also because they're very much afraid that this might at any point, the legal situation might at any point change.
Well, I mean, local governments in China love these lucrative side businesses, so.
Yeah.
When it comes to actually trading in Bitcoin in China, now you said it's legal, but like kind of legal.
Yeah.
So let's get into that a little bit. What does the central government think about Bitcoin?
They don't like it. They don't like the idea. They are probably only on a hypothetical level afraid of this severely undermining them. I believe Bitcoin is still small enough that it does not yet pose a threat, but the hypothetical threat is there.
And what is the hypothetical threat?
The hypothetical threat is that people are able to completely circumvent capital controls, able to transact truly between each other without a central party being able to intervene, the literal central party being able to intervene, and the renminbi simply losing its significance as a as money because people prefer something else. As money.
Russian intelligence system services are reportedly in the process of developing a blockchain sovereign system. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even some anonymous cryptos would be in the site, a project that was normally meant to be secret until the Russian media RBC unveiled the news last August 11. A letter intended for financial supervision federal service leaked letter which contained details about blockchain monitoring solution called Transparent Blockchain. The system would allow, among other things, to partially break the anonymity of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Omni, Dash, and Monero transactions. To do so, Transparent Blockchain would use artificial intelligence algorithms to identify potentially fraudulent transactions. This solution is reminiscent of the one developed by chain analysis. In addition, this would provide other information about transactions, such as the service provider for once. This system would be developed to fight against money laundering and financing of terrorism. At present, this project is only at the prototype stage. However, the intelligence services have approached the government for funding to tune of $10.3 million over the next 2 years. According to information provided by RBC, the government has not commented on the authenticity of this letter, probably unhappy with the leak. However, some players in the crypto ecosystem have confirmed the existence of this letter. End of this episode of the Midday News. As summary, we mentioned Bitcoin wanting to subvert the system of China, that's government system, and Russian intelligence services in the process of developing a blockchain sovereign system named Transparent Blockchain. Thanks for having been ours for this episode. Do not forget to subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel and click the notification bell. You can like the video if you appreciate the news. Remember, information is power. Meet you tomorrow for new updates.